So, where? Right.
Yeah, right in between those branches, where it's flowing backwards.
I see. I'm loving this flow here.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Got lovely counter flows there.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Do you mainly like to sort of rove around on your fishing trips? Sort of 20 minutes here, half an hour there?
Yes, sometimes, yeah. I mean, I do fish static at times, or just trips where I might fish 1 or 2 swims. But yeah, I mean, 20 or 30 minutes. The trouble is you've got swims which are timeless, and they can, without realising it, you spend longer there than you intended. You know.
I'm guilty of that as well, yeah. I think I'll sit here for 10 minutes. You just get that, and then you're there all day.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
I'm quite hungry for some of these river bream again. I'm looking forward to giving them another go. Just because 2 years on the trot now, I've gone there, I think it was 21st of June and then 22nd of June the following year. Both times the shoals at bream, just one huge shoal of bream, and they're all massive. I mean, average size £6. Going up to fish that must be pushing between £9 and £11.
Want me to do the honours with the netting?
Oh, please, yeah.
Yeah. Why are they getting the flow here, I'll tell you, mate.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, no!
Hookful.
The dreaded hook ball. See that switch to bread, they do like it, and you get that nice flow.
Never mind. That felt quite good.
I don't find that, really.
Never mind. Nice fishing.
You get more, there's more than one in there, so...
I'll give it a go.
That was a good old take, though,
Yeah, that was. There was no little diggity, just...
You in?
Yeah.
Nice. Do the honours, mate. Oh, that's a nice looking chop.
Not a bad one, mate.
Little scratch here. Watch you don't go on here. It's going to cut in under this seat.
Yes.
Here you go. Well done, man.
Cheers, my man.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's a nice fish. That's a nice. Oh, if that's not pushing 4, upper 3.
Yeah, very nice.
That's lovely. I told you. I said that last.
Yeah, you did it.
Bang! I mean, as soon as you put that down, it went whoop.
Well, I adjusted the rod, and I thought it was me adjusting the rod. But yeah, I missed the
Oh,
ball.
that's a nice fish.
Lovely. Cheers, mate.
You're welcome, mate. Oh, that's got to be a 4.
Oh yeah, it's got a good girth to it.
That's a nice heavy fish, yes.
Yes, 4-6.
Ah, it's a lovely chub. Nice instant bite as well, wasn't it?
Straight away, on the bread.
Yeah, lovely.
Look at it, it's immaculate.
It's a gorgeous looking chef. Lovely brass enamelling.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a picture book. And your first Blackwater Chub.
Yes, indeed.
A nice way to open your account. Made up for that fish earlier, of course.
Yeah, but we won't talk about that one.
No, that's long forgotten now with this fish.
For sure.
Yeah, lovely. Well done, mate.
Cheers, man. She's glorious.
She's glorious, especially in that sunshine. Well done.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, we're in. Doesn't look a bad fish. Oh. Well, that's a bit of a battle-hardened and battle-scarred warrior, real Chevin bruiser, 4 pound 2 ounces, and yes, it's in a real battle-torn state. Good scrap from it, and it's actually blind, and it's got no eye at all on the other side, just an empty socket. Bless its heart. And it looks like it's been in the battles quite a bit. Got a bit of a chomped off tail, but yeah, nonetheless, brilliant to catch, and it's certainly a survivor. Got some real serious life scars, as only a Chevin can have. Whether that's the chopped off tail is otter related or the damage is otter related, predation related, I don't know. I'll show you its other flank though. There we go, that's its other flank. Bless it, look, missing an eye, not an eye at all. One-eyed Chevin, and look at the scarring to both flanks. Really, it's had a ordeal with something. Nice to catch, and a sterling scrap. You did yourself proud, and you fought better than some perfect mint Chevin that I've caught. And you did a sterling job. Bless you. I hate seeing fish like this, to be honest. And he's a strong old fish, considering he's really been in the wars. Anyway, don't want him out for too long. Let's get him slipped back. But yeah, very happy to have this on what has been a tough day for myself and Dan. Right, as you can probably tell, it's got rather nippy. We've had a really tough day's fishing, Dan and I. I invited Dan down to come and have his first try on this particular waterway, and he lost a fish to a hook ball early on, and it's really sunny conditions, and then had one in another swim that I pointed out, and that was a lovely 4 pound 6.
It was beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Mint fish.
Really good fish. Yeah.
I bet you're pleased with that.
I'm very pleased. New fish, new water.
Yeah, always nice to get your eye in as well.
Yeah. And cheers, mate. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Well, very welcome. It's been enjoyable. I mean, I spent quite a bit of the trip till probably about 2 o'clock. Just, sometimes, guys, it's just nice to, not fish and just sit with another guy who you've been chatting to online for a long time, which we have done.
A few years now.
Yeah, finally met.
Yeah.
And then just, I didn't fish till about 2ish, because it's just nice to sometimes, it's not always about fishing, it's about chatting and enjoying each other's company, especially when you've got a vested interest in the pastime that you both enjoy.
Yeah, for sure.
For
sure.
And it was tricky. I mean, the sun got up and they did really go right off. They were playing ball.
But we saw good wildlife. What else? Deer, barn owl. What else?
Kingfisher.
Did we see? Kingfisher.
Yeah, very nice.
Fox.
Buzzards.
Buzzards.
Yeah.
The lot. Yeah, it was
lot,
fantastic.
yeah.
It's not just about fish, is it?
It's not just about fish. A fish is a bonus, and today, it's got dark, and normally you expect them to come on a bit when they've been hiding in their hidey holes with the sun reaching its high point. And even now it's been tricky, but I was lucky to have that particular fish, which was 4 pound 2, so really happy. Real battle hardened scarred warrior, wasn't it?
Character
fish, one that you'd remember if you call it again anyway.
For sure.
Yeah, but I mean, it's been enjoyable sharing in each other's company, and I always say it's a relief when I have a guest down. It's always a relief, like, when they get their first fish. And when he had the hook pull, I was like, oh, is it going to be one of those days? You know what I mean? And it has kind of been one of those days, but we've still managed to.
We've still succeeded. And at the end of the day, it wouldn't have mattered to me if I hadn't have caught anything, really.
Exactly.
It's coming out here, it's meeting you.
Yeah.
Just the surroundings is enough for me.
Yeah.
I mean, I was just in awe of the place. It's been fantastic. It's been really good.
Yeah, it's been an enjoyable pleasure to meet you. It really has.
Too,
and
mate.
we'll have to fish together again.
Definitely, mate.
Anyway, what I will say, guys, because we might fish one more swim, but if you don't see any more to the video, we might not. So hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, it was a bit of a funny video, as I say, because we didn't speak too much on the video, because we were really intent on getting our fishing together and having a chin wag on and off camera. So if you have enjoyed the video, take time to maybe consider clicking the thumbs up button. That would be most appreciated, and always very grateful with that and your support with the channel. If you share it, please feel free to share it on social media, your Facebook group pages and such. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? There's a subscribe button below, and there's a bell icon there, and there's Dan laughing next to me as well. Do take time to subscribe. You'll be kept up to date with all my new uploads and my back catalogue of videos. Anyway, from from Desperate Dan and Mad Mark from Fishing for Memories. We'll see you, we will see you at some other point when we fish together, but I'll see you on another video. Take care, guys. It's been a pleasure, Dan.
Cheers, Mark. See you later.
See you later, guys.